Standing here in the middle of 1620 A Avenue, this parcel is just smaller than a half acre, irrigated, and has beautiful mountain views that are totally unobstructable. It's currently being used as a lavender field and for a greenhouse that has a bunch of tomatoes in it and other produce. That greenhouse is going away. This parcel does have septic feasibility approval. It does have community water already stubbed out at the property line and has underground power in the vault ready to be connected to. There's already a temporary meter in place that's being used for the greenhouse, but everything's ready to put your house in this location. There's the vault. There's lots of space to build a home and outbuildings. There will be a deed restriction in place to protect the view of the home already located at 1600 A Avenue. But essentially you'll have the full front half to build on just past where this lavender goes. And then you'll need the other space for your septic drain field anyway. So it's really not going to limit how someone would build. They'd still have unbelievable mountain views, an awesome lot, pastoral views then to the south. It's really a neat location. The line is right here where these new pine trees are. Just an awesome lot with great neighbors in a convenient location right here in the middle of Terrebonne, Oregon.